Hello again, friends. Welcome to Android Upstars. I am super excited about reviewing this app right here, Hotspottr. I was contacted by a developer to check it out, and I was very impressed with what I saw. And for the most part, it has really good ratings. It's a fairly new app, but I see this app being very useful. Let's open it up. So it's Friday night, and you wanted to go out. First of all, what you would do, you download the Hotspottr app, and what it would do, it will give you accurate crowd information about your favorite local bars and restaurants. You'll actually know whether a restaurant is going to be crowded when you get there. So let's just say I want to go to my favorite restaurant, and I type in House of Pies. So right now, you can see the information. The one on Westheimer, and it doesn't show any information. That's probably a good sign that it's not crowded. But the one over here on Kirby definitely is getting crowded. So I would want to avoid going to that one. So let's just try the one on Westheimer. So I can hook this to my favorites by clicking on the star. And if I need directions to get there, I can always click on the navigation, and it send me right to my navigation. Show me exactly where to go to. So I thought that was pretty cool. And this I see this has a lot of potential for other places like family entertainment and gyms. So you can really do a lot, have a lot of control about planning now, about where you want to go. Whether you want to choose this restaurant, or you want to go somewhere else that's not so crowded. So I think it was a very good idea, and so far I've been enjoying using it. Like I say, this app can be good for any time, actually, for lunch, even breakfast, especially dinner. When you want to go out to a restaurant or a bar, sometimes you don't want to wait. You're hungry, and you want to get your food fast. And this is an excellent app to determine, which restaurants to go to and which ones to avoid. So tell me what you think about this app. The app is called Hotspottr, and thanks very much for watching.